How to open Atom bank account. Follow the instructions. Download the Atom Bank app from the UK App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap to begin registration. Enter your personal details including your name, date of birth and address. Verify your identity using a photo ID and selfie. Create a 6-digit passcode for secure login. Set up your voice and face biometrics. Choose the type of savings account you want to open. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Link your UK personal current account. Enter the amount you want to deposit into your Atom account. Confirm the deposit and complete the setup. Wait for confirmation that your account has been successfully opened. Thank you for watching.